Hello friends. In last lecture we learned plotting of rational numbers. That was pretty easy. But can we plot irrational numbers too, like root 2, root 3? Okay, let's try.
So friends, in last lecture we plot rational numbers on number line, which was pretty easy. Now, to plot irrational numbers like root 2 or root 3, what you have to do? Simple, as usual, you have to draw a number line. Let's say this is number line x and x dash. And here we plot 0, and here 1, here 2. Now, let's say this is point O, this is point A. On point A means on number 1, you have to draw a perpendicular on x-axis. Okay, so we have drawn a perpendicular on the x-axis. Now, this OA, the length of this OA is 1 unit, and the length of this, and let's say this point is B. So length of AB is also 1 unit. Now, if we join OB, then what will be the length of OB? So, to get the length of OB, you know that we can apply Pythagoras theorem over here, like OB is equals to OA square plus AB square. Okay, and OA is equals to 1 square, 1, and AB is also 1, the 1 is square, so it will be 2. That means OB square is equals to 2. Therefore, OB is equals to root 2 unit. So, OB will be root 2. This much is clear to everyone, I hope so. Okay, now, what we have to do next? We have to draw an arc from point B to this x-axis by considering OB as the radius and O as the center of the circle. It means we have to draw such a circle whose center is O and OB will be its radius. So where it cut the x-axis, let's see. Let me change the color. Let's say I'm taking white. Now, we have to draw an arc, so for that, so the arc of that circle intersect the x-axis, let's say at point C. Okay, so the length of OB and OC will be equal. Why? Because these are the radii of same circle. Okay, so OC will also be, the length of OC will also be root 2. So this point here we will mention root 2. Okay, let me change the color once again. So this point, C point, will represent root 2. Okay, now what if we have to plot root 3 as well? We have to follow the same procedure. This time on point C we have to draw a perpendicular. So here we will draw a perpendicular of unit 1. Again, this is also 1 unit. Now we will join O, and let's say this point is D. Okay, so we will join OD, and now we do the same process. We will draw an arc from point D, and this arc will be the part of that circle whose center is O and radius is OD. Okay, so let's draw it. So this arc is intersecting x-axis on E. So this E point will be root 3, where this C point will be root 2. Okay, how this E point will be root 3, you might be thinking. So you just see this triangle O, D and C, this triangle. Okay, O, D and C, this triangle. In this triangle, you just see that if I write, just a minute, yes, see, in this triangle, OD is equals to OC square. OD square is equals to OC square plus CD square using Pythagoras theorem. Now, OC is root 2, you know that. So, root 2 square, and CD will be 1, as it is given CD 1. So, it's 1 square. So, it will be 2 plus 1 OD square. It's 2 plus 1, that means, which is equals to 3, that means OD is equals to root 3. And now OD and OE are the radii of the same circle. So that's why we can say that OE will also be of root 3 units. Okay, so that is how you can prove. You have seen that how we can represent root 2 and root 3 on number line, and these two are irrational numbers. So I hope it is clear to you. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and have a good day.